why don't you look at the monthly and weekly? Because the trades that I take is I'm not swing trading or position trading, so I don't need to focus on those time frames. The monthly and weekly is only usually for people who are like looking for swing trading, trying to stay in the trade for weeks and weeks. Then you can analyze the monthly and the weekly time frame. But if you're just trying to look for trading opportunities for like a few hours or a few days, then start by analyzing the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. Can you analyze USD Canadian? Sure. Okay. So guys, on YouTube, I got disconnected. Okay, my live got disconnected, but now I'm reconnecting again, so you guys can join the live now. Okay. Alright, so let me quickly look at USD here on the 1 hour, and then I'll go to USD CAD. Okay. So let's see here what is happening. Okay, so this 1 hour time frame, what we see here. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, we can see we have resistance here at 144. Okay, resistance at 144. That was a previous high there. And then the market structure here is looking, it's an uptrend. Okay, price is forming higher highs and higher lows there. Okay, and then we have some support that price is building here. It's holding this support here, so this low here, right here. Okay, so now since it's holding this low, okay, it has now started pushing up higher. Okay, so this seems to be a very strong support because we can see price basically tested that support multiple times there. Okay, so it's a very strong support, and right now I think the market is on the way to go back and retest this previous high of 144. Okay, the 144.50 is now the level where the market is most likely heading up to retest. So if you're trying to like minimize your risk very well, then enter a buy right here, target 144. Okay, 144.40 or 50 as you take profit, and then your stop loss needs to be below 142 142.96. That would be the best spot for your stop loss. Okay, so that's basically what's happening here on this pair. It's going up to 144.50. Okay, and from there, if it's able to break this resistance 144.50, then it's going to go up and target this main resistance here, 146. Okay, so then this means you can now enter a buy again. Okay, once the price breaks this current resistance here at 144. Okay, 144.50. If it breaks that resistance, then you wait for the retest and then you enter a buy. Okay, once the price breaks above 144.50, that's going to turn into support, so you can enter a buy there and then target 146. Okay, so that's it. Now let's look at GBP JPY. Let me open it up. Open it up here. I'm going to analyze it very soon. 1 sec. Oh yeah, I completely forgot USD Canadian. Yeah, okay. I'm actually gonna look at that one first because that's what I said I would look at. Oh wow, okay. So now I'm looking at USD, the US dollar against the Canadian, okay? So let me zoom out. Let's see. What's going on here. So if you zoom out, you can see we have a sideways market, okay? Price is basically moving side to side here, okay? So that's a sideways trend. If you really zoom out, this is probably more visible if you go to the weekly time frame. Okay, we have some type of sideways trend that's currently happening on USD Canadian right there. Okay, sideways movement, resistance, very strong resistance at 138.71, very strong resistance, and then very strong support at 132.49. Okay, so that's basically what the market is currently ranging between this support and resistance. Okay, it's ranging between this support and resistance. Resistance at 138.60, support at 132.28, about there. Okay, now we need to zoom in closer. Let's focus. Let's not focus on the overall picture, but I want to see what's happening here. Okay, so I can see we had an uptrend. Okay, this is probably more visible on a lower time frame, maybe like 4 hour, 1 hour. This was technically a minor uptrend, right? We were going higher, higher, higher. Okay, forming lower, higher highs and higher low. So that's an uptrend. And what we see is that price actually broke out. Okay, we did break below. Critical level for price to have held would have been this. Okay, this here was the support the price had. So that was at 136.10. That was the level price shouldn't have broken if this uptrend here that it started is to continue. Shouldn't break below 136. Okay, but unfortunately we can see we did break below it, and as a result price had to come down. Okay, it had to come down because it broke it. And yeah, so now we have a new low. Okay, we have a new higher low, which price is basically as formed here for us. Okay, let me just mark it down. This is a new low right there, which we literally just formed there. Okay, that is our current low. Let me just mark it a different color here. Let's just mark it dark green. Now this is currently a support right here. Okay, it's actually support. If you connect the candle here in the past, this entire zone actually the support there. So 134 and 135, that whole area is support. Now price has returned to the support. Okay, this is our previous high. Price has returned, but support hasn't been found on the weekly. This is weekly time frame, by the way. This is like, yeah, huge a huge time frame. So yeah, so you have to, if with this analysis, if you're going to trade, take a trade based on this time frame, just know that you're swing trading, and any trade you take on this time frame is going to take you like a week or more for the price to hit your target. Okay, it's going to take you at least a week or more. Okay, so now let me go to the time frame here. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. So daily time frame, what we see is that price is now we have a double bottom here. Okay, the price is currently forming because we can see after price formed this rejection here, this high, it came down, and then the next candle here was a bullish candle, which forms this double bottom. Okay, so we now have this double bottom, and whenever we have a double bottom like this, usually what the price will do is to go and retest this high. Okay, so that high over there is usually what the price is going to try to go and retest, and then yeah, and then once it gets there, either it breaks it or gets rejected to go down. So as a result, because of this, I believe the price is most likely going to go up towards 136. Okay, since it has been able to hold this support here, has been able to hold this support, So this is now a sign that we're most likely going to push back up. Okay, if you want to enter buy here, you could, and then stop loss slightly below this support. So I would say like 133.84 would be a good area for like stop loss. Okay, 133.84, 85. Okay, so that's the daily time frame. Now let's just look a little bit deeper. Let's see what the market is doing here. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, we've started the uptrend, and this is usually what happens as the price is moving higher. It will usually move in this type of formation, forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so on this 4-hour time frame, okay, this is already good. This is a good sign, bullish. And then now we have our previous high over here at 35.39, and then we have a support over here at 35.02. Okay, and then the previous higher low is here at 34.63, and this is now a good level for the price to hold, to continue pushing higher right here. Okay, so I think price is going to try to hold this. So what you can do right now, okay, if you're trying to enter a buy right now, I would say wait for you want to wait to see a 4-hour candle to close at this support level here. Okay, so this is between 34.63 and 34.94. Okay, so between 34.63 and 34.94, if we get a bullish 4-hour candle closing at this support, then you can go ahead and enter a buy. Otherwise, if we don't get any bullish 4-hour candle at all, then you don't enter a buy. You just wait until you see a 4-hour bullish candle at this support between 34.63 and 34.93. Once you see that, then you go buy. But for now, don't enter any buy yet, okay? Because we haven't gotten that confirmation yet. Okay, so it's best you wait for the 4-hour bullish candlestick, okay? And if that happens, okay, once you enter your buy at this level, you want to set your first take profit. Yeah, so you can target the previous high here at 35.38. Okay, so that's where you want to set your first take profit, and then second take profit we have 35.76, and then and then stop loss would have to be below this low here. So this low here would be where you want to set your stop loss, not below this one, but below this one here. Okay, 34.25. Okay, all right. Wow, thank you for the roses. Thank you. All right, GBP/JPY up next. And then that will be the last thing I analyze, okay? Because I'm actually getting tired of analyzing. It's actually mentally draining to analyze so many different pairs. Okay, so let me analyze JPY and then we'll call it a day, okay? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. So GBP/JPY, all right. We have a downtrend, okay? And then we see here we have a double bottom here printed, and price has basically already visited the neckline, which is here 193, visited it. Now what did it do? It actually broke that resistance. Okay, it broke that resistance here. Okay, just marking down right there. We broke that resistance. So this is signaling a potential change in this downtrend that the market was in. Okay, so right now we're doing a retest, and we're currently sitting a support here at 190. So 190 is our current support. 190.19 is our current support, which price is actually currently holding. So this is a really good area to buy, and so far, yeah, price has basically held that support. So this is a good area to look for buying opportunities right there. Okay, we got the first candle here. This is daily candle. After this bearish movement, price came down, it held it. Next candle was bearish, but because we already held it the first time, we're most likely going to go back up and revisit this previous high at 190, 195. We're going to revisit that high, okay, because we broke this resistance. So now, once we revisit that high, I think price should go and break that resistance and then revisit. It's going to target, this is the first high, it's going to target 198 there. And then we have 203 there. Okay, so this pair here is you want to look for buying opportunities, okay, not to sell. Price is going to go up. Even on the one hour time frame, we even see now another formation of a double bottom. Okay, so this is again an opportunity to enter a buy. Formation of a double bottom. We have resistance here 191, 98. Okay, so if you want to just enter quick trade, like quick buy and stuff, you can buy right now, and then your first take profit could be a 191, 93 there. You can get out there. Stop loss below this low here. Okay, stop loss slightly below 189, slightly below 189.80. Okay, so target number one 191.85, and then number two target 193.36 right there. Okay. But yeah, this pair here, GBP JPY, is gonna go up, going up all the way to 193. Around there. Okay. That's what happens whenever we get this formation of a double bottom. We have this neckline, and that's the target, the price it's gonna try to aim for. Okay. So guys, that is it for today. That is all the analysis that I'm doing for today. We've analyzed gold, analyzed GBP JPY, so many different pairs. Okay, and right now I'm in a trade. I'm currently in a buy for gold. It's actually not in profit yet. It's currently at a loss. Okay, it was in profit, but then all of a sudden it went down. Okay, but this trade is still active because the price hasn't broken below a critical level, which is 26.46. Okay, so I'm still gonna hold that trade. And then another trade that we entered is on GBP USD. Okay, that was another thing that we actually analyzed on this live. I'm gonna open it up here. Okay, so GBP USD is another thing that we analyze here, and so I'm in a buy for GBP USD as well. Where did the targets go? The target disappear. Oh yeah, I'm in a buy for this pair here. I had a target. Okay, there it is. Okay, so these are the targets right there. Okay, we'll keep you updated on this trade, maybe on tomorrow's live. Okay, because it's probably going to take a few hours to hit the target. And then another thing we looked at, okay, is what was it? We looked at Euro USD as well, okay, which is also a buy. Okay, so look at Euro USD buy, targeting number one 1.1114, and then number two we have 1.1140 there. Okay, so that is Euro USD we analyzed, and then we also looked at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is another thing that we looked at here. Wait for my charts to load. Taking time. So Bitcoin here, we analyzed it, and it's also a buy because price is basically it bounced off the support at 60,500. So now it's heading towards 63,700. We have some resistance there. Price could find get rejected and come back down. So for Bitcoin, look to buy anywhere around this entire zone here. So 57,500, 60,500. Those are all good areas to enter buy for Bitcoin, okay? And that's pretty much it, okay? That's pretty much it. Actually, gold. Let me take a look at gold here before I sign off. Wait for my chart here. Refresh. All right, so this is gold, okay? So gold right now, okay, it has support here at 26.46, which it can break in order for the price to return back to 26.70, 26.65. We can break below 26.46 there, okay? So for gold here, you want to look for buying opportunities anywhere around 26.47 and 26.60. Those are all good area, okay? I don't think it's gonna sell to 2600 anytime soon, just because the price has a lot of support along the way. On the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. So yeah, so for it to get to 2600, that is going to be a level that we can only get to if we break below 2625. Okay, the 2625 here would be the level that we need to see a breakout in order for the price to get to 2600. Okay, you can keep an eye on that 2625. If gold breaks below that, then definitely look to enter all the way down to 2600. Okay. Okay. So guys, with that being said, we're going to call it a day for today. Thank you to everybody who liked the live. Thank you for everybody who gifted. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Make sure you join my Telegram group if you're not already in it. The link to the Telegram group is in my bio. Register right now. Go and join it. That's the place you want to be in if you want to be getting more free signals and also to just learn more about trading for free. Just join the Telegram group right now, okay? The link is in the bio. I'll see you guys tomorrow at around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, thank you for watching today's live. I hope you guys found some value from the live, and I hope you guys have a really good day or good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care, and is gold still buying? Yes. Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Take care and bye for now.